Tesla, a name synonymous with innovation, sustainability, and sleek designs that have reshaped the automotive industry. While the company has done an exceptional job at branding itself as the future of transportation, there are many aspects of Tesla's operations and products that remain shrouded in secrecy. These are things Tesla would never want you to know. And in this video, we're going to expose 8 surprising truths that could change how you view this electric vehicle giant. Stick around, because some of these revelations might make you think twice about what's behind the glossy advertisements and the charismatic persona of its CEO, Elon Musk. 8. The hidden costs of Tesla ownership. Owning a Tesla is often marketed as a cost-effective alternative to traditional gas-powered cars. The argument is simple: no fuel expenses, fewer moving parts to repair, and long-term savings. But there's more to the story. Beyond the upfront cost of buying a Tesla, which is already significantly higher than many gas-powered alternatives, there are hidden costs that Tesla rarely talks about. First, there's the insurance. Tesla vehicles are loaded with advanced technology, making repairs more expensive. This drives up insurance premiums compared to standard cars. Additionally, while Tesla promotes their vehicles as having fewer maintenance needs, when something does go wrong, it's often pricey to fix. After your warranty expires, the cost of replacing components like the battery can run into tens of thousands of dollars. And let's not forget charging costs. While older Tesla owners enjoyed free lifetime supercharging, this perk is no longer available for newer models. That means you'll be paying for electricity, whether at home or at a Tesla supercharger station. Over time, these expenses add up, chipping away at the cost-saving narrative Tesla promotes so heavily. 7. You don't fully own your Tesla. When you buy a Tesla, you might assume it's yours to use and modify as you please, just like any other car. But Tesla operates differently. Because these vehicles are so reliant on software, Tesla retains a surprising level of control over what your car can and cannot do, even after you've bought it. For instance, features like autopilot or full self-driving, FSD, are not permanent purchases tied to the vehicle. Tesla has been known to deactivate these features remotely if a car changes ownership and the new buyer hasn't paid for the upgrade. Imagine buying a used Tesla, only to find that functionalities advertised with the car are suddenly gone unless you fork over thousands of dollars to Tesla. Additionally, Tesla's software updates, while often beneficial, can also feel intrusive. Updates are rolled out automatically, and sometimes they include changes you might not want, like performance adjustments or new interface designs. In a sense, Tesla reserves the right to decide how your car evolves, whether you agree with the changes or not. 6. Tesla's repair monopoly. One of Tesla's most controversial practices is its tight control over repairs. Unlike traditional automakers, Tesla has made it incredibly difficult for independent mechanics to service their vehicles. The company limits access to spare parts, repair manuals, and diagnostic tools. This means that if your Tesla needs repairs, your options are usually limited to Tesla's own service centers. And because Tesla knows this, repair costs can be significantly higher than what you'd pay for comparable work on a traditional vehicle. Even something as simple as fixing a minor dent or replacing a side mirror can become an expensive ordeal because of Tesla's proprietary parts and tools. This repair monopoly doesn't just hurt your wallet, it also raises concerns about long-term sustainability. With fewer options for affordable repairs, more Teslas could end up being scrapped prematurely, undermining the company's commitment to reducing waste. Range anxiety. Is real Tesla likes to boast about the impressive range of its vehicles, 300 miles or more on a single charge for many models. But these figures come with asterisks. Real-world driving conditions can significantly affect how far your Tesla will go on a full battery. Cold weather is one of the biggest culprits. In freezing temperatures, the efficiency of Tesla's battery drops, sometimes cutting the range by as much as 30%. Aggressive driving, uphill terrain, and using features like air conditioning or heating can also eat into the range. While Tesla's supercharger network is expanding, it's not always convenient or accessible for everyone. For longer trips, you'll need to meticulously plan your route around charging stations. This isn't the seamless, worry-free experience Tesla markets, and it's something they're unlikely to highlight in their advertisements. The truth about autopilot. Tesla's autopilot feature is one of its biggest selling points, promising a glimpse into the future of fully autonomous driving. But the name autopilot is misleading. Despite its futuristic branding, Tesla's autopilot is not a full self-driving system. It's an advanced driver assistance feature that still requires constant attention from the driver. Unfortunately, Tesla's marketing has created confusion among users, some of whom mistakenly believe they can take their hands off the wheel entirely. This misunderstanding has led to dangerous situations, including accidents and fatalities. Tesla includes warnings in the fine print, but the overall branding suggests a level of autonomy that simply isn't there. To this day, regulators and safety advocates have raised concerns about Tesla's approach to marketing autopilot. While the technology is groundbreaking, the gap between perception and reality is something Tesla rarely addresses openly. 3. Build quality issues. For a company that prides itself on cutting-edge innovation, Tesla's build quality often falls short of expectations. Reports of issues like uneven panel gaps, misaligned doors, and subpar paint jobs are surprisingly common, especially in earlier models. Tesla's focus on ramping up production quickly to meet demand has sometimes come at the expense of quality control. While many owners are willing to overlook these flaws because of Tesla's performance and technology, it's an area where the company has received consistent criticism. Even as newer models improve, Tesla rarely acknowledges these quality issues publicly. They're quick to tout their advancements, but far less eager to address the craftsmanship complaints that many customers have experienced. 2. The environmental cost of Tesla's batteries. Tesla's mission to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy is commendable, but there's a less publicized environmental cost associated with their vehicles, specifically the production and disposal of their batteries. Tesla's batteries rely on materials like lithium, cobalt, and nickel, which are extracted through mining processes that can have devastating environmental and social impacts. Cobalt mining, in particular, has been linked to human rights abuses, including child labor in some regions. Moreover, while Tesla promotes the recyclability of its batteries, the infrastructure for large-scale recycling of EV batteries is still in its infancy. This raises questions about the long-term environmental impact of millions of used batteries that will eventually need to be disposed of or recycled. 1. Elon Musk's influence and controversies. Finally, no discussion about Tesla would be complete without addressing Elon Musk. As the face of Tesla, Musk's vision, charisma, and relentless drive have propelled the company to incredible heights. But his influence is a double-edged sword. Musk's habit of making bold, sometimes reckless statements, particularly on social media, has landed Tesla in hot water multiple times. From promising self-driving cars next year every year to tweeting about taking Tesla private, a move that led to SEC fines, Musk's actions often bring unnecessary volatility to the company's stock price and public image. Tesla rarely distances itself from Musk's controversial moments, likely because his persona is so integral to the brand. But this connection means that Tesla's future is heavily tied to the actions of one man, a risky position for any company. Tesla is undeniably one of the most transformative companies of our time, leading the charge in electric vehicles and renewable energy. But like any major corporation, it has its share of secrets and challenges it prefers to keep under wraps. From hidden ownership costs to environmental concerns, these lesser-known truths reveal a more complex picture of Tesla than the one painted by its sleek marketing campaigns. So, what do you think? Are these revelations enough to change how you view Tesla, or do you believe the innovation outweighs the drawbacks? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video eye-opening, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more deep dives into the tech and automotive worlds. Hit the bell icon so you'll never miss an update. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.